Hello everyone, how are you? Today I am going to talk about the class 12 biology chapter 2nd, sexual reproduction in flowering plant part 3rd. This is the part 3rd of chapter 2nd. Second chapter is the sexual reproduction in flowering plant. We discuss in this video some materials like as pollination, kind of pollination, autogamy, getonogamy, xenogamy, agent of pollination, etc. So let us start now. We know about the reproduction events. There are 3 reproduction events occur. First, pre-fertilization event, second fertilization event, and third post-fertilization event. So in this video we discuss about the pollination, because male and female gametes make pre-fertilizer step, and second events like as fertilization event, we need gametes, male gametes and female gametes. So male and female gametes fuse. How type way they fused. So in this video we discuss about pollination. What is the pollination? We know about the pollination. And pollen grain, we know about the pollen grain. Pollen grain produced in anther, and female gamete, you know, previous video about it. So pollen grain produced in anther. So pollen grain transfer anther to stigma by some factors like as wind, animals, and water. So these factors reach the pollen grain stigma to anther to stigma. These are called pollination. In other hand, transfer of pollen grain anther to stigma is the pollination. You can see here pollination. What is the pollination? Transfer of pollen grain seed from the anther to the stigma of a pistil is termed pollination. Means pollen grain, anther है pollen grain transfer to stigma transfer. This process is the pollination. Okay, so transfer of pollen grain anther to stigma is the pollination. Okay, you can see here that this is the stigma and this is the anther. This is the stigma. This is the stigma. Pollen grain, we know about anther produce pollen grain. Pollen grain, this is the anther produce the pollen grain, and pollen grain produced by anther transfer to stigma. Transfer to stigma. This process is called pollination. This process is called pollination. Okay, this process is called pollination. So transfer of pollen grain anther to stigma is the pollination. Okay, second kind of pollination. Pollination can be divided into three types. Pollination can be divided into three types. First, autogamy. Second, geitonogamy. Third, xenogamy. We know about pollination and what is the autogamy pollination. When you can see here, transfer of pollen grain from the anther to stigma of a same flower, not other flower. Stigma and anther present in only same flower and pollinated. You can see this is the flower, and this have anther, and this have also stigma. So this pollen grain transfer to stigma is the autogamy. These are the autogamy because they have same flower, not other flower, and not other stigma. Okay, these are same flower, so this is the autogamy. Some plants like such plants like viola, common fancy, oxalis, common lina. These are the plant. They produced two type of flower in each plant. Two type of flower in each plant. Like as this is the flower, this is the leaf, and this is the flower. This is the flower. One flower and second flower. This is the second flower. This is the second flower. First flower, this is the first flower. This is the first flower and this is the second flower. This is the second flower. First flower like as pea flower, pea, sunflower, etc. This type of means they all flowering part is open like as petal, sepal, anther, stigma, etc. So these are same like other flower like as pea flower, mustard flower, etc. But these are not open flower organ like a sepal petal. They are included in it. All part included in it. are suggest inside of this. They covered all part covered in inside. So this type of flower is the Chasmogamous. This type of flower is the Chasmogamous. This type of flower is the Chasmogamous. And this type of flower, they are part of closed inside it. So these are the Clistogamous. These are the Clistogamous. You can see in this copy. These flower same like pea flower, mustard flower, and other plant flower like. These are the Chasmogamous. But these are the closed. All part is closed like an anther, stigma, etc. Closed in it, and they are like as a bird. No? They are like as bird. But these are also a flower. So this is the Clistogamous. Okay. Such a plant like as Viola, common pansy, Oxalis, and Camelina, they produce two type of flower in each plant. First is the Chasmogamous. They are similar like other flower, and they are Clistogamous, and other second flower is the Chasmogamous. They are bud like structure, but they are mature, not bud. Okay. Closed all 6 organ of flower is closed. So these are Clistogamous. Okay. Again we study about the Geitonogamy. What is the Geitonogamy? Transfer of pollen grain from the anther to stigma in another flower of the same plant. You know about flower. This is a flower. This is a flower, and this is a plant. This is the flower. Stigma. This is the stigma, and this is the anther. And other flower also present in this. Also present anther. Stigma, anther. When the flower, this is the same plant, and this is one flower, and this is another flower. One flower pollen grain transfer to another flower stigma. One flower anther transfer to another flower stigma. So but same plant, not other plant. these are the geitonogamy. These are the geitonogamy. You can see that transfer of pollen grain from the anther to stigma of another flower, but the same plant, another flower but the same plant. But in case of autogamy, same flower, same plant and same flower, not other flower. In this genetogamy, same plant but another flower. We know about the plant. Plant have various flowers. So one flower anther pollen grain transfer to another flower, another stigma. These are the geitonogamy. But same flower pollen grain transfer to stigma is the autogamy. And third is the genogamy. What is the genogamy? We discuss about genogamy. There genogamy, about the genogamy. What is the genogamy? You can see this is the flower and this is the stigma. This is the flower and this is also a flower. This is also a flower and this is the anther and this is the stigma. Okay, this is the flower. Pollen grain of this flower transfer other plant flower, other plant 1, plant first, plant second. Pollen grain transfer other anther to other stigma of flower. You can see genogamy transfer to pollen grain from anther to stigma of different plant. This is the different plant, and this is also different plant. So different plant, this type of pollination is the genogamy. Okay, this type of pollination is the genogamy. So same flower pollen grain transfer to stigma, not other flower. These are autogamy. Same plant but anther transfer to other flower in same plant. These are the genogamy. And other plant have flower and they also have anther, and so anther have produced pollen grain transfer to stigma to other, means different plant. These are different plant and these are also different plant. So they transfer, these are the genogamy. Okay, so there are three type of kind of pollination या three type of type of pollination. First autogamy, geitonogamy and gemogamy. We discuss about in this video agent of pollination. Agent of pollination means such factors they transfer the pollen grain. They are the agent. These are the agent. This agent is the biotic and abiotic. Biotic like animal and abiotic like wine, water. Okay, so we discuss about it. Agent by wine. Concave. You can see concave. Concave means भुट्टा या मक्का या माइजा. They have fiber like structures. These fiber like structure. This fiber like structure is tensils. This fiber like structure is tensils. Actually, these are the stigma and style. These are stigma and style. So these are the pistil or gynosium. This fiber like structure is called tassels, and these are the gynosium present in it anther and style. They polluted by wine. Okay, and again second, by wine, by water. Some plants which is live inside of water or live in water are hydrophobic. They pollinated from water like as Balisneria and Hydra. Balisneria and Hydrilla. You can see this is the Balisneria. This is the Balisneria and this is the Balisneria and this is the female flower. And you can see this is the stigma. And this is the male flower. Male flower produced the pollen grain and pollen grain float in water, and during the floating of pollen grain they accept the pollen grain by stigma. So Balisneria and Hydrilla pollinated by the thought or by the water, and a marine sea grass. This is the Zostera. Zostera also pollinated by water. By animal, these are the biotic agent. Animals like insect. Animal like insects. Hyacinth. These are a aquatic plant. Hyacinth and water lily. Hyacinth and water lily also live in water, but they pollinated from the from or by the insect. They are not polluted by water but live in water. So they pollinated by insect like a hyacinth and water lily. Some other insect also involve the pollination, है ना, or transfer the pollen grain like as bee, butterflies, flies, beetles, wasps, ant, moths, bird, sunbird, hummingbird, bats, lizard, larger animals, lemurs, tree dwelling. Tree dwelling means they live in tree. Gecko lizard, gecko is a lizard. They are also involved the pollinated of flower. And garden lizard, a plant. This name is the Amorphophallus. Amorphophallus plant have 6 feet in size. They also pollinated by the insects. And a plant like yucca species. This is the yucca animal pollinated by the insects. Moth live inside a flower and lay egg. And when larvae release in this flower, they pollinated the flower. So these are the type of pollination and agent of pollination. These are agent of pollination. We discuss in this video about pollination, kind of pollination, pollination agent, है ना? And we again discuss about the pollen grain. When pollen grain transfer anther to stigma, in stigma or at stigma, they germinate. Pollen grain germinate on stigma, just like we add the gram in water. After 24 hours, we see that gram have a roots. Just like pollen grain also germinate on pollen on stigma, and this germinating organ is the pollen tube. You can see in this in your book. These are the germinating pollen grain, and these are the pollen tube, germinating pollen grain tube. Okay, so these are the germinating pollen grain and these are the germinating pollen tube. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this video. Okay, thanks for watching.